Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and cherished friends, today I stand before you to share a powerful message that has resonated through the ages. Let God fight for you. These words remind us of the extraordinary strength and love found in the teachings and life of Jesus Christ. My friends, as I conclude this motivational and inspiring speech, I would like to urge you to listen until the end, as I want to assure you that by embracing the wisdom behind, you will undoubtedly reap numerous benefits in your life. Jesus, a beacon of hope and inspiration, demonstrated the transformative power of surrendering our battles to a higher power. He taught us that in our moments of weakness and struggle, we can find solace and victory by placing our trust in God's unfailing love and divine intervention. Throughout the Gospels, we witness Jesus' unwavering faith in God's plan and his willingness to surrender his own will to the Father's. In the face of adversity, he found strength not in worldly power or personal ambition, but in complete reliance on God's guidance and provision. One powerful example of Jesus' reliance on God's fighting power is seen in the Garden of Gethsemane. As Jesus faced the impending crucifixion, he fervently prayed to his Father, saying, "Father, if you are willing, take this cup from me, yet not my will, but yours be done." In this moment of profound surrender, Jesus exemplified the ultimate act of letting God fight for him. Jesus understood that true power lies in surrendering our own desires and trusting in God's perfect will. He knew that God's strength far surpassed any human strength, and that by aligning ourselves with divine purpose, we become partakers of an unfathomable power that can overcome any obstacle. When we let God fight for us, we acknowledge our limitations and humbly submit our battles to the one who holds all power and authority. It is an act of faith that allows us to tap into a higher source of strength, wisdom, and provision. By surrendering our struggles to God, we invite him to work miracles in our lives, transforming our challenges into opportunities for growth and triumph. Letting God fight for us does not imply passivity or inaction. Rather, it involves an active partnership with the divine. As we align our thoughts, words, and actions with God's principles, we become instruments through which his power flows. We are called to step forward in faith, trusting that God's presence and guidance will equip us to face any adversity. In every aspect of our lives, we can witness the transformative power of letting God fight for us. In times of personal challenges, we find solace in knowing that God fights on our behalf, providing comfort, guidance, and strength. In our relationships, we surrender our need for control and allow God's love to heal and restore. In our pursuits and ambitions, we yield to God's perfect timing and divine orchestration, experiencing his favor and blessings. As we navigate the complexities of life, it is crucial to remember that we are not alone. We have a loving Creator who stands ready to fight our battles, to uplift us when we are weary, and to guide us toward victory. By embracing the teachings and example of Jesus, we learn the profound truth that when we let God fight for us, we tap into an infinite wellspring of love, grace, and power. In conclusion, let us be inspired by the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Let us embrace the profound message of letting God fight for us, surrendering our battles to his capable hands. As we relinquish our own will and align ourselves with God's purpose, we discover a strength that surpasses all understanding. By walking in faith and trust, we become living testimonies of God's faithfulness and the transformative power of his love. May we find comfort and encouragement in the words of Jesus, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Let us embrace the rest and peace that comes from letting God fight for us, knowing that through him, we can overcome any challenge and emerge victorious. Thank you, and may we all experience the profound blessings that come from letting God fight for us in every area of our lives.